Silver prices traded with swings, traded with moderate bearishness. If you recall, just watch my weekly review last week. I have mentioned 38.65, 38.85 is the zone, which is going to be the key resistance zone on the upside. What has happened? Silver price is hitting the highs at 38.75. We have seen a good dip here, but at the same time, it is yet to break below the critical support zone at 37.50. Can we say that this is beginning of another bearish move here in silver prices, where the prices are going to head lower all the way towards 35 $36 zone, or this is just a swing here and a possibility of a breakout move is higher? Because see, what we had seen, couple of rises, retracement is done, one pullback, a swing, and then it is going to break out here on the upside all the way towards 39.50 $40 zone. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast, and I do share my twice a day updates for silver. First with the Asia session, then before the US session. These two updates keep you informed and help you take a logical call and trade profitably across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Let's start. Now, see, silver is the one which I think still has a room for further bullishness here. I compared to gold and silver, I think gold is pretty much exhausted, and silver is the one which is keeping the things high. Hence, we have to watch out. And notice, let's have a look at the move here. First of all, how silver has been trading. The rise, then sharp pullbacks, rise, a breakout, consolidation, then a breakout. Now, since the support it has created at around 35 35.50, we have seen a good round of rise, then retracement candle has appeared, and if you connect the highs and the lows, you can find out silver prices are still keeping itself within this bullish channel, where you can see higher lows are seen and higher highs are seen. Pretty important for silver to trade beyond 38.50 levels here again. Yes, 38.50 and then 38.85. These two levels are going to play a major role in deciding what silver wants to achieve, because once it trades beyond 38.85, chances will be very high we will see silver at 39.20 first, 39.50 the second, and in fact it can trade beyond 40. I'll say there is a possibility, but look at the move here. When you see the last candle is indeed a swing here. Higher highs are seen, and if you connect higher lows, means it is still has the possibility of a move towards 37. Now, where we can confirm that silver is turning bearish, it has to now trade below 36, 35.50 and 35. This zone is the most critical support zone here for silver prices. Let's wait for it to take a direction, and coming week is going to remain one such crucial week. If you look at the moving averages here, these are trading with extreme divergence. Since the major retracement here, it's been almost 1.5 years, it's been almost good 18-20 months since on the weekly chart silver is stayed bullish. Also notice, every bigger rise it retraces towards the bottom of the channel. Hence, it can again move towards the bottom of the channel, which is right now positioned at 30. Stochastic has dropped sharp. It is looking downwards. It is still staying bearish. Look at the MACD. MACD is at extremes here. Look at the MACD. It is not that it cannot rise further. These were the uncertain times, that is post-COVID, where we have seen silver hitting the highs here on the MACD. But since then, look at the formation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now, if you connect this channel, you can say that silver has still lot much of room available on the upside. This is one positive sign for silver prices. But when you look at the move, it is trading with divergence. A crossover here is what we should wait for in order to confirm a complete reversal. RSI is very near to the top, indicating slightly overbought levels. Coming to the daily charts. Now, what has happened on the daily charts? Notice, see this drop? The drop was sharp here enough when the price has moved all the way towards 36.20. Since then, it is trading under this retracement channel. But most importantly, what we had observed in this retracement channel, you can see rise, then a retracement, higher highs, higher lows. So it is pretty important for silver to now trade below 37.50, 37.40 zone, and then below 37. These two levels hold the key here. Any drop below 37 will confirm the next move here, because the drop, retracement, and once it trades below 37, the possibility of a move towards 36 will be very high. Notice, this could be a possible flag which it would like to form where the lows are far below 36. But again, 35, 36 is the strongest support which silver is going to face in the near term. Stochastic has dropped here on the daily charts. The MACD is staying bearish. It is not yet crossed over. It is staying almost flat here. The RSI is staying flat as well. On the 4-hour charts, interestingly, what has happened? See, since the crossover here in the sell side, we have seen a retracement, and here the moving average is again crossed over on the buy side. Most importantly, it is forming a nice bow here. Twin top is done. Since the twin top, it is crossed over for sell. But let's focus on the last few candles. A sharp bearish move, a good pullback, resistance here pretty strong from the 20-50 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. Thus, I will only recommend a buy in silver if you see it is staying beyond 38.20. But the next crucial milestone it has to break is at 38.40, 38.50, above which possibly we are going to see a good bullish move where it can in fact trade beyond 39, and in fact it can keep moving higher. But right now, the I think it is still going to be difficult. The stochastic is rising, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. The MACD here is trading bearish on the 4-hour charts, and this indicates not much of room on the downside for silver. RSI placed comfortably. Coming to the most important chart, the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, see, this was the drop earlier this year with the tariffs. You can see $28 is what we had seen here, and since 28, prices have spiked almost close to 39.50 levels here. Now this is a 33% appreciation in just 5 weeks, 5 months. But see, if you look at the formation here in the silver prices, see, it has stayed bearish here, then a stronger breakout for 4 5 months, then a quick long retracement move has appeared, couple of strong moves, sideways movement, again strong move, sideways movement, and then, so this is the fourth step here. If you connect the highs and the lows, it appears it is precisely at the highs here from where the reversal is possible. And now on the downside, first support zone is towards 36.35, and below that 33.32. If these two levels are taken, you can consider this as a breakout out of this bullish channel where the lows are going to be far below again towards 30 and 28. But when you see the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, these are staying bullish, which is a very supportive sign for further rise here. Notice silver historically, when you see the all-time high levels are close to $49 levels, which is still far below from the current levels, because it is right now trading at 38, and it has still got a lot much of room. Now look at the last few candles. See, higher lows are done, and preceding two candles also had higher highs. Notice preceding candle had a good bullish move here. Now reversal confirmation in silver is only and only if it trades below 35.50 and 35. Till 35 is not taken, you should not be treating silver as bearish. It is only and only if it trades below 35. You can say that the prices are turning bearish, else what could happen? It can again turn green. And on the upside, till the twin top, till 39.50 levels, you should not be treating this as bullish as well, because hitting lower highs or twin top, prices can again drop, and it might close somewhere here at around this zone itself. Stochastic on the monthly charts entering just into an overbought zone. Look at MACD on the monthly charts trading at extremes, and you can see this is how silver has been trading. Whenever it hits such extremes, it follows with a 2-year long cycle. RSI is near to the top as well. So considering this, what I'll recommend. But before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, which I think you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Reserve your seats now. Only limited entries are available. We take only limited entries. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, then also you should be part of. You can write an email or ping me or telegram for queries. And those looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. With that, first let's talk about the levels to buy. Again, 38.10, 38.20, you can buy somewhere here. Beyond this 38.20 is where we can expect slight bullishness. The nearest resistance it is going to get is at 38.40, 38.50. And this time, if it trades beyond this, ideally I will be looking forward to 38.80, the next target zone. and then 39.20. Beyond 39.20 it's going to be 39.50, and beyond 39.50 it's going to be $40 zone. This is the number, this is the psychological number which silver has to break, because once it trades beyond 40 it is going to be a psychological number for silver to trade below, and hence we might see a movement around those same levels for a while before it takes the next leap. But yes, this is the most important number which silver has to break. I think coming week it might not do so. We have to wait and watch what it delivers in the coming week. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 37.70. Expect 37.50, 37.40 as the first target zone. This is going to be a very good support zone. And then 37, 37.10. This is the next one. If these two are taken, stay bearish for 36.50, the first, 36 the next. Any drop below 36 will be a very good indication for the next move towards 35.60 and 35.20 levels. Any drop below this zone 35.20, 35 is an indication of a beginning of a greater downtrend in silver prices, where we are going to see 32 and 30 next. Appears a distant dream. However, these are markets and this is silver. It can do wonders in a single day. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.